Hello, my name is Dr. Kendall Coleman. I want to introduce you to a tool called Canva. You will use your Google account to sign in. I was going to say log in with Google. And I am in. Now, I just want to deal with what this thing can do. You can create presentations, resumes, Instagram posts, logos, posters, memes, cards, letters, infographic, flyer, your story, T-shirts, business cards, invitations, videos, Instagram stories, book covers, graphs, brochures, menus, newsletters. It even has something about creating a web page, album cover, certificate planner. There are many things that you can do in Canva. This is a very powerful tool. And you can even do comic strips. Now, in terms of pricing, there is a free version, there is a pro version, and enterprise. Whenever I do Canva, I always select the free version. You have 250,000 free templates, 100 and plus design types, hundreds of thousands of free photos. You always want to select the free version of Canva. So getting started, I'm saying it specifically for those who are school teachers and you're trying to just teach this to your students and you just have a limited budget, you want to go with the free version. Now, let's just say we want to work on resumes. This past school year, I was trying to teach my students how to do resumes, and they were preparing for their summer jobs. You can go with an existing template. All the students have to do is just change out the picture. They can type in their name, Dr. Kendall Coleman. They can put in their title, public school teacher. To zoom in, I'm just going to hit Control plus on my keyboard and just modify that as such. Let's go to something else you can do in Canva. Let's just say that you wanted to create a meme. And there are different examples of memes, templates that you can use that are free. But I always want to just do something of my own. Let's just say gym shoes as an example. Nothing came up. Let's just say basketball. Okay, in terms of templates, nothing. So I'm gonna go with this blank template, and for element, okay, basketball, let's say gym shoe. Okay, some gym shoes came up. That's a pro version. We want to make sure that whatever we select is free. So I'm looking for something that does not have the crown on it. And here's a set of free shoes I can use. Now, what I want to do now is basketball. I think if you can find something that moves when you're trying to create a meme, that could be really interesting if it has some type of motion to it. So this is moving here. I'm just going to add this here. And now he's going to add some text. Okay, this is free. I'm going to say basketball. Now, I want to make this smaller. The font is 100. I want to change this to blue. Okay. Now, to download, I could download this as a video. I could also download this as a GIF. And this can make, this is just my meme that I created. People sometimes assume that a meme has to be funny. A meme can just be something that is inspirational as well. Or it can be just a message, basketball season. Okay. Now let's just do one more thing in Canva. I want to do a t-shirt. Now you can design your t-shirt for free. But if you want to actually have that t-shirt made and printed, that's a different story. So what I'm interested in, again, I'm interested in something that is free. Okay, so all of these can be modified. I'm just going to work back with this. And I want to change this to say, I love Chicago. Now I can adjust the font. Okay. Maybe I want the font to be bigger. Now I want to change the color to blue. And then you have some numbers here. We can try to change as well. Make that a little bigger. How about I make that red, and I make this bigger and make it red as well. I love Chicago. Okay, now I can just download this for free as an image file. Okay, I can download this for free as a JPEG. Maybe I design my t-shirt in this platform. I save it as a JPEG, and then I go to my local t-shirt shop and I have it done. Or I can just click this button that says print t-shirt, which is very interesting. And if someone wanted to print t-shirts directly from Canva, they can do it. You can select the type of shirt in terms of color that you want, and you can see how it's changing. Let's say I want a shirt for a man. I can select the size, extra large. I can even put in the quantity. Let's say I want 10 t-shirts. Perhaps this could be used for a club, a school club, and so forth. But again, if you just want to do this as a class project, you can just do it just as the free version. And you can just have the students just download the JPEG or the PDF and so forth to design their own t-shirt. Again, there are many different things that you can do within Canva. It's just kind of amazing. This is a very powerful tool, and there are many things that you can do for free without even paying for it. And then finally, they have some web page templates that a person can use. Just want to click on free to see what's available for the free web page templates. So it says you can customize this template for your web page. Okay. So this is just a really powerful tool. Canva is. And I didn't even go in detail about the comic strip, where students can make their own comic strip. I'm just going to stop here. Hopefully you have learned something about Canva, how you can integrate this into your classroom, and all of the great free things that you can do. Have a nice day. Again, my name is Dr. Cole.